Hi guys, today I'm going to show you two different ways to make a pineapple bowl. First, you need to cut a pineapple in half. Then you need a small knife and a spoon. Use the spoon to slide in to separate the flesh from the skin. Then cut the bottom and top of hard core. Then use the spoon to pull out the pineapple flesh from the skin. That's it. Keep the juice to make fried rice. And I like to scrape some more flesh from the skin to make fried rice as well. Now you have a pineapple bowl. Another different ways, first use the knife to separate pineapple flesh from skin by cutting around like this. Then cut between the hard core. I like to cut cube right away to make soup, or you don't have to. Then cut the hard core from the skin. Again, keep the juice to make fried rice, and I like to scrape some flesh from the skin to make fried rice as well. Now you have another pineapple bowl. Here's the pineapple, the cube for the soup, and the ground flesh and juice for fried rice. This is how it turned out. The next episode, I will show you how to make this pineapple soup and fried rice in a very quick, easy way. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys soon.